PLAIN Homeland is located in Lecong, Foshan. Through decades of hard work, now have 50,000 square meters high-end showrooms. PLAIN has 5 self-owned brands. Modern brand Aximi, which integrates rich curves, plentiful colors, and diverse materials together. International light American style brand Sia makes fashion and conventional concept, keep redefining and recombining to create an unusual lifestyle. High-end minimalism brand Hands PLAIN, focusing on precise cutting and meticulous handcraft. Put plentiful materials like glass, aluminum, and steel in design to create a premium and diverse Italian style. As the popular enjoyment brand Sing Younger integrates fashion, color, design, and system, which makes it popular among the young. What side is its brand name always wow you by its bold innovation and plentiful combination. Popular outline and function are both considered good-looking, home-like, and footloose. Headquarters owns 5,000 square meters workspace with minimalism design and advanced humanized equipment to create a comfortable and convenient work environment. CS Center ensures your profit from monitoring production, complete after-sales service, and feedback management. Design department specializes in product design, whole house customization, color and space match. They are creative enough to keep updating products for PLAIN. Also, they always be able to offer you fresh ideas and practical plan. PLAIN owns global marketing team, including overseas department, international marketing, new media, and e-commerce team. During decades of development, PLAIN has been offering millions of domestic and overseas customers excellent furniture and humanized service. Also, we've got many good feedbacks from our clients.
Our company has been working with PLAIN Homeland for 10 years. Yes, this year will be 10. We really appreciate their job. We really appreciate their level of service, pricing. I think they are one of the leading factories that makes contemporary design furniture in the Foshan city.
PLAIN Homeland is still consistent with service and quality, pursuing better. As a leading furniture enterprise, we are honored to have the chairman, Mr. Zhu Yiheng, here to give a genuine talk.
柏林的全球合作伙伴，大家好，我是柏林家居集团的主理人洪，感谢各位对柏林这么多年的支持和厚爱。柏林从2006年到现在，已发展成有10万平方的生产基地和6万平方的展厅规模。目前在售产品有2760件，目前以每周6款 SKU 的速度在迭代更新。未来柏林将会在生产、服务、研发、体系建设上投入更多的时间精力。希望广大全球合作伙伴继续支持柏林，共同发展，共赢未来。